This video will show you how to set up payouts for an individual ACH account. Please note that your sensitive information will be securely vaulted and tokenized with our payment provider and not stored on our servers. DGnet Watchdog will never see or have access to the full details you enter here. Click on the dashboard button. Click on the email login button. Enter your email address. Click on the Send Sign-in email button. Within a few minutes, you should receive an email. Click on the sign-in link in the email body. Click on the Account Settings tab. Click on the Payout Settings button. As you can see in the highlighted area, this demo account is not yet registered as a payout account. Click on the Register Payout Account button. Select the country. Click the Next button. Select the individual account type. Enter your date of birth. Enter your first and last name. Click the Submit button. Enter your address. Enter the last 4 digits of your social security number, or your country's equivalent ID number. Click the Submit button. Select the individual account type. Select the country. When you select your country, the default currency that DGnet Watchdog will use to deposit funds will be selected. If you want deposits to be made in a different currency, select one from this list. Now enter the account holder's name, bank's routing number, and account number twice. Payout accounts do not involve a verification process, so please be especially sure that you entered the correct account number, since there is no way to recover misallocated funds. Click the Validate Banking Information button. This will verify that you've entered a valid routing number, and tokenize the account. Once you are sure the information is correct, click on the Submit button to validate and register this account to receive payouts allocated to your email address from this point forward. Enter your personal ID number, social security number in the US. Click on the Submit button. Check over and verify that your information is correct. Click on the Close button. Click on the Payout Settings button. You'll now see that you are registered as a payout account. For more information, send an email to info@dgnet.cloud.